This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing one clear hobby to test for 2 weeks. This reduces decision fatigue. Once chosen, schedule a short 20 to 30-minute daily block and treat it like an appointment. Make essentials visible, 3 to 5 items, so nothing stands between you and the first minute. Do this today. Clear a 20-minute slot and open your materials. This creates momentum and bypasses the common startup friction that kills new habits. Once you have momentum, attach the hobby to an existing routine, after morning coffee or right after work, so it becomes automatic. Make tracking trivial. A tick chart or one-line log keeps accountability without pressure. Then, progressively increase duration by roughly 10% weekly. This prevents burnout while improving skill. Make sure to vary focus. Technique one day, fun another. This balance keeps you motivated and steadily building competence, rather than stalled perfectionism. At week 4, review progress and reset attainable goals. This is where long-term commitment is decided. If you hit a motivation slump, switch to micro sessions of 5 to 10 minutes. They preserve habit identity and reduce resistance. Celebrate specific wins, completed project, 10 sessions, with a small reward to reinforce behavior. If repeated dropouts occur, troubleshoot by simplifying setup, changing time of day, or pairing hobby with a social check-in. These fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.